Welcome to H2K Infosys. H2K Infosys is a e-verify business based in Atlanta, Georgia, United States. We provide 100% job-oriented, instructor-led, face-to-face, true live online software training programs. It also includes access to cloud test lab with software tools. We provide live project for you to work on. We also provide assistance with mock interviews, resume preparation and review, and job placement assistance. H2K Infosys is trusted by so many students across the world. H2K Infosys provides world-class services in IT training with real-time project work for corporates and individuals, special IT training for MS students in the United States, software design, development, QA manual and automation, performance testing and maintenance, IT staff augmentation, job placement assistance, and tech support.
To take the test case, let me mention over here. Exit criteria, what are the conditions that are to be considered in order to stop the testing process? We call it as test exit criteria. Okay. First thing, you should check whether test cases are executed with certain percentage as passed. Okay. Not like all the 100% could be passed sometimes. Let's say we have 99% and then some 1%, they are just a kind of warnings that are appearing. That also in very less frequently used functionalities, we can still accept it. Okay. Then, secondly, all defects are fixed. All the defects, okay, they are fixed. And or let's say the defect rate means the number of defects that are getting reported every day or every week, that has decreased. Then we can stop the testing process. Okay. Budget is over. We can stop the testing process. Okay. Client side testing, that is UAT, is over. We can also stop our testing process. Okay. So these are the criteria under which we can stop the testing process. Okay. Well, Syed, the applications are very complex. Okay. Syed has a question, why is the percentage, certain percentage and not the 100%? See, ideally it should be 100%, I agree. But is it possible for a complex project to be completed with 100% accuracy? In the real time, okay? It's not actually possible. So we try to, achieve certain percentage, okay, as agreed with the client at the beginning itself, right? And if there are some exceptions that are coming up, okay, that is still fine. Some warning messages, it could be still acceptable if it is not going to affect the usability of the user, okay? Okay, then the defects are fixed. Okay, budget is depleted. Now, in case the budget is depleted, even though we have not completed the testing process, we stop it. When the client is not ready to pay for it, okay, how can we complete the testing process? Are you going to work without a salary? Are you going to work without a salary? It's not possible, right? So when there is no budget, stop the testing. Clear? Okay. And who is going to make a decision whether to stop the testing process or not? You should not take a decision, okay? The moment you stop getting the salary, okay, or let's say something has happened and okay, the client is not able to pay, you should not stop the testing till you get the confirmation from your team lead. The moment the team lead says, okay, stop testing, you got to stop, okay? So this will be done by the testing team lead. Okay, he is going to decide whether to stop the testing process or not. And he is not going to take this decision independently. He is going to discuss and confirm this from the project manager first. He cannot take the decision on his own to stop the testing. He takes all this criteria and he mentions to the project manager, takes the approval of the project manager, then only he stops the testing process. Okay. And then see, going to the production is nothing but, okay, Vinita, it is installing the software on the client machine. Okay, production means what? Installing the software on the client machine, on the live system wherein the users are going to use it. Okay, that itself is a production, or we say it as go live. Okay, or it has gone into the production. Everything is one and the same. The most commonly used is like go live. Okay, live means what? Your project has been dispatched to the users. Okay, and during this test closure, now you have decided that you are going to stop the testing process. During the closure, what are you supposed to do? It's not that, okay, stop the testing means leave it and then run away. No, you are going to do some formalities over there which are to be completed. Okay, a test summary is to be prepared. This will be done by your team lead. Okay, and as a tester, you are supposed to submit all the documents that you have prepared right from the beginning. Whatever documents are prepared, they are to be submitted. Okay, you are not going to take any documents home. You are not going to take it out of the project. No deletion of any documents, no destroying any documents. Submit all the documents to the team lead. Okay, and what team lead will do? He is going to give it to the project manager. Project manager will put it into the repository of your company. Okay, in case the client comes back with some issues, we have the proof that we have completed as per the requirement. The legal issues cannot be taken against your IT company, right? Second thing is, let's say the project manager, I mean a new project is starting and we need some reference documents, or let's say for as a study material we can use it, right? In case the client is very happy, he comes back and then he says, okay, we need to upgrade the software. We can help him out there, right? So that is the reason we got to submit all the documents. And not just a tester, okay? Every member of the project team is going to submit the document. And since we are closing the testing process, as a tester, you should submit all the documents that you have prepared. Okay? So this is what you do in the test closure activity. And this, in the test summary, your team lead is going to mention in detail right from the beginning what are the activities we conducted in the testing process. Okay? And then what are the different tools that we used, what are the technical issues that we faced with the tool. Okay, so all that thing will be considered over here. So that is a test closure activity. Okay, fine. Then, so there are two testing methodologies that we are going to learn. Currently whatever we finished, it is a manual testing. Okay, so this is the end of your testing, the manual testing. So whatever we learned till now, it is a manual testing. Okay, 1 second. Okay, fine. So now we have the testing methodologies. We already know what is manual testing. Whatever we did till now, it was all manual testing because we did not use any major tool in order to automate any of the activities. Okay. Next is the automation testing tool, which we will be discussing after we do the quality center, and then we have the SQL database. After that, I will teach you one automation testing tool which is called as QTP. Okay, there we will discuss in detail what is this automation, which step exactly can be automated. We will look into it there. Okay, clear everybody? Okay, yes. Okay then. So I would like to suggest you some more projects that you can do. Okay, one is a bank project that I said you do it please. Okay, and then also go for the e-commerce project. You can choose any online shopping site because these are the commonly these are the common projects which you might get an opportunity to work in. Okay, so make sure you are creating this kind of projects for you. Try to work on them, alright? So that you have more practice. And as I said, every time you choose a project, try to choose the one that is a difficult one, okay? Don't worry, even if it is difficult, I'm here to help you on that. You can choose a bit difficult project, okay, every time. Fine. One second. Okay, I'm getting many messages over here. Okay, 1 second. Let me reply. Okay, I'll send you this document, okay, not to worry. Yes. Right, Preeti. Even in automation, you got to prepare. I'll tell you, okay, when we start with the automation testing, I'll tell you how to prepare the documents there. So you can go for a banking project. You can go for the e-commerce project. E-commerce is nothing but your online shopping site. You have your eBay.com, you have the Amazon project, right? So I want you to, go for this kind of projects, because when you are putting into your resume, you can basically, add these things, and the projects that you will be getting in the real time also will be on these projects, okay? So you can apply for the telecom client, and then the banking. If you are able to do this banking test case, you can go for a banking related project. E-commerce projects will be there, okay? So these are the most common domains in which you can get your job. That is the reason I'm mentioning here to you. You can work on these projects, okay? Okay. Rani has a question. If we get a Windows-based application, what kind of test case? Rani, it is the same thing. Whether it is web-based Windows application, you write the same type of test cases. Okay. That is, the reason why even the non-IT background people and everybody can apply for this job of the tester. Because it is like, more, less technology oriented, and then it is like more, the front end oriented job. Okay, so that is the reason even the people from non-IT background can apply, right? So you can go for the banking, telecom that we already discussed. Here in the telecom, you can consider, if you have the Verizon account, go for the Verizon, and you have your ATT, right? ATT project or AT&T project also you can consider, right? So based on the domain, choose a project and then complete them. At least do one project in each of the domain. Okay, like I mentioned to you, take one functionality and practice it. In case you get any doubts, I'm over here to help you. Okay. Is it clear, everybody? Okay then. So from tomorrow, let me check if your quality center installation is over. We will go for the quality center from tomorrow. Otherwise, we will be starting with your SQL database. Okay. And I will tell you why we are going for the SQL database. Everything I'll explain you. For now, I will give you some installation instructions. Okay. How you got to install the SQL database. Okay. Again, one more moment so that I give you the link how to open this one. Okay, 1 second. Yes. Did I ask you to download the Toad?
So many of our students have given testimonials on how our training programs are. You will find them on kudzu.com and on our website h2kinfosys.com. On our website h2kinfosys.com, you will also find more detailed information on who we are, the courses that we offer, what each course covers. Also, if you're interested in a demo program, please register on our homepage on the left-hand side. Just give us more information about yourself and we will send you a link for a demo class. The demo class is absolutely free. Experience our commitment by just attending an orientation workshop at no cost. Our team of faculty and advisors are here to guide you with the right information. If you still have more questions, please feel free to call us. Call us at 770-777-1269. This is a United States number. If you're calling from the UK, call us at 020-337-17615. You can also email us at training@h2kinfosys.com or h2kinfosys@gmail.com. Thank you for watching our videos. We wish you a great career in information technology.